Alright folks, this lesson is to help you understand tone in literature and the difference between tone and mood, which we've already discussed in relationship to setting in stories, and how tone and mood are different from each other, and hopefully we'll be able to identify author's tone in some example texts today. First, just a reminder, we've already identified mood as the emotional quality of a story that can affect a reader's attitude. This is how we as the reader feel when we experience a text, or when we read a text, the emotions we experience. The tone is the author's attitude towards the subject. So the mood is the reader's feelings, the tone is the author's feelings. So that's what we're referring to when we talk about mood and tone. So I want to read the passage on the next slide and attempt to identify some tone words. Consider word choice and personification in the passage. After New Year's, the time came to put all the decorations away and settle in for the long cold winter. The house seemed to sigh as we boxed up its finery. The tree was dry and brittle, and now waited sadly by the road to be picked up. Go ahead and pause the video. You can mark the text in the option below this page and choose some personifications or some word choices in this excerpt that may contribute to tone. What I noticed is some words like long, cold, dry, and brittle, and then two personifications. The house seemed to sigh, and the tree waited sadly. And so those stood out to me, and I think they contribute to a specific type of tone. So my tone words that I came up with were dreary, depressed, and gloomy. Dreary, depressed, and gloomy, because if a house is sighing is something you do when you're depressed. And the words dry and brittle, kind of a gloomy, dreary picture there. And then that tree waiting sadly, again, that's another kind of dreary, depressing tone. So the author's attitude towards having to pack up for Christmas is depressed, dreary, and gloomy. Thanks for watching.